Hello everyone, welcome to another video on this channel. Today we're going to talk about Faraday Future Intelligent Electric FFIE. Now this stock was requested on my channel. Now if you also want your stock to be discussed on this channel, please let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe in order to get your stock discussed on the channel. Now we're going to be talking about FFIE, and look at this, yesterday up 31%, and now pre-market up already 6%. What is happening here? Well, this stock last week already announced that it's incorporating AI, and this really seems like the next AI and EV play. Now, I really like the setup of this stock. Why? Because we are coming from a period of time where the 20-day moving average was the big resistance. You can see the drop was right here in February, and we started to get above it in the beginning of May, and we had a nice run above it, and it was kind of the new support. Now we broke above the 50-day, and that's absolutely crucial. And we do see that the 20 and the 50-day are gonna come together. So probably one more good day and we're going to see the crossover. Now for this stock, a crossover of the 20-day over the 50-day is absolutely crucial. Why? Because in the past when it happened, it was the start of an amazing squeeze. We saw it right here when it happened in the beginning of January. You can see here with the blue cross, and you can see the moment it crossed, the stock went from 62 cents and had a very nice run up to 132, almost doubled. And even before, I think it was even better. We saw it right here. It was the big run up in July when it crossed. We saw the stock at around $3.50, and it went up all the way to around 7 to 8 cents. So again, doubling the price of the stock. Now, in that matter, it would mean that we could probably see at this level around the 60 cents. So we are going to have to really focus on the 200-day. That's around that level of 54, 55 cents. So if we're going to double, this might be the first resistance points. It might be the double from here, and it might be a tough time getting above it. But as you can see in the run in July, we managed to get above that point and get a very nice run up and doubling the stock eventually. Also, the 50 cents is a really important level to get above because it will be the first level of the call options that will be in the money. Market makers will need to cover all those calls, and every time someone buys those calls in the money, market makers need to cover those shares. So it's a really important level as well. So first, I'd say for FFIE, gain ground above 50 cents, then try to settle for the 200-day moving average and try and get above that next level. Now, interestingly, this blue line, which was the high in March, is at exactly the same level as the 200 days. So if today, tomorrow, we're gonna see a run up, this is gonna be a crucial level to watch. Now, if we can get above that level, where could it go from there? Well, we're gonna be looking at the weekly, and we do see that there's still a lot of room left to the 50 weekly average at around $1. Also, of course, it's gonna be an important level for compliance related stuff. Nasdaq stocks need to be above $1 in order to gain compliance. Otherwise, you're gonna maybe see a reverse stock split in the near future. So interesting level to watch that. From the 50, there's basically free room to around the $1 level, and of course, it will be another level of call options in the money. It will be definitely a level where shorts are going to try and keep it below in order to get the stock back down again. So at this point, two important levels for the stock will be around 54 cents, and the next one is at around $1. And if we break that, I mean, it would mean we're going to see one of the biggest squeezes of the year. Then the stock will, at this level, need to go up like 300, 400%. We're going to monitor it the next couple of days and going to see where this could go, and then I might be back with another video on this stock. Also in the comments, please let me know if you want to see more on this stocks or other stocks. Don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe, and I hope to see you all the next video.